Dr. Michael Ryan answering the question, does vein ablation improve the vein circulation? And the short answer is yes. And we know that because patients report to us that they have improvement in their symptoms and their activity. But it's also been studied in a number of medical journals with a before and after scoring called a visual analog scale of, of your symptoms. And that typically always improves after vein treatments if you've selected the patient who has a vein condition that has symptoms related to their vein condition. So it does improve symptoms, and it also improves activity level. One of the things that people don't realize is what's going on here. Why is it improving how people are functioning? The, the basis for a vein condition symptoms, including fatigue, which is in our experience the most common symptom that people experience, is inflammation. Inflammation builds up as a consequence of the stagnant blood in your leg. The blood is just pooling there. The body reacts to it by generating an inflammation reaction. That inflammation reaction starts out in the leg, so your leg is typically tender, achy, sore. Other symptoms like restless legs and cramps can result as well. And then the inflammation builds up as the day goes on and begins to accelerate. That's how the inflammation pathway of the body works. So it's called a positive feedback loop or an amplification cycle, and it gets more and more prominent and peaks in the evening. That's when people are most exhausted, is in the evening. That's when the symptoms are also the worst. But the inflammation uh, that's generated has a whole bunch of small molecules called cytokines, and those cytokines circulate throughout the body, and they act as a poison to your energy centers of all your cells. Your mitochondria is responsible for the power that drives your muscles and allows you to move and be active. So that slows down the energy production and makes people just exhausted. So after vein ablation, the stagnant circulation goes away, and the inflammation reaction is reduced or eliminated, and the resulting reduction in cytokines that are causing this poisoning of your mitochondria is reduced or eliminated. So people have a natural increase in their energy. So Dr. Mike Ryan answering the question, does vein ablation improve the circulation?